Street, looking at the fact that, you know, the Attorney General today will deliver the legal basis for the withdrawal agreement, but it's a very sort of truncated document that they will show to MPs. It's not the full story, is it?
Exactly, and that's the crux of it. I think that actually the PM doesn't want to show the full documentation, so there's going to be a really big sort of controversial Q&A, and I think a conversation about that in Commons today, where the PM coming back from the G20 is going to say, listen, this is what you need to know, this is the best deal that we can get, and she's going to continue trying to push her position. But all the while there's this question about what is it that you won't show us, and why can't we go through that full process?
And in many ways, you know, looking at this, you would think, why would MPs not want to see the full document before they make that decision on December the 11th, which is historic, enormous decision for the UK, for everyone who lives in the UK, for those that will come, you know, generations ahead. You would think that, you know, politicians, those who have been elected to sit in Parliament, should see the full document.
And you'd think people, sort of citizens, newspaper readers, we'd want to see it too. So it doesn't seem unreasonable that MPs would want to see the full text of the actual discussion. I don't think it's unreasonable to have that debate and to ask the PM why she's withholding it. I can only assume that the government feels like this is the best way in order to position the current agreement and to say, listen, this is so much better than a no-deal Brexit. Of course, as we know, and what all the other papers are saying, is that maybe there's another choice as well. But this is why, as you mentioned today on Twitter, this is another critical day for the PM.
It's another critical day. I feel like I'm going to be saying that for the next...
I think you are, for the next 8 days.
December 11th.